Again, my name is Felix Moka. I'm the National Publicity Secretary of the All Progressives Congress. Before I proceed to introduce my colleague, just to give a word of apology for starting this a little late, as you can imagine. We just rose from a meeting today of the National Working Committee of our party, and the reason we're here today had to be prepared, so it took a while to prepare and clear it for release. So what I'd like to do is to read the text of the resolution of the National Working Committee after its meeting today. But before I do so, you all know my colleague, Honorable Duro Misako, who is the Deputy National Publicity Secretary of our party. Now, I will read the text of the resolution of the National Working Committee following its meeting today. I begin. The National Working Committee of the All Progressives Congress, APC, at its meeting of 22nd November 2023, and pursuant to the powers conferred upon the National Working Committee by the National Executive Committee of the party, and in accordance with the provisions stipulated in Article 13-3A Roman 5, 13.3 B and C, and 13.4 XV, Roman XV, of the party's constitution, the National Working Committee, recognizing compelling circumstances that have arisen in the River State chapter necessitating decisive action in the overriding interests of the party, has engaged in consultations with pertinent stakeholders within the party. The National Working Committee hereby resolves as follows. 1. Dissolution of the executive committees. 1.1. The executive committees of the party in River State at all levels are hereby dissolved. 2. Appointment of caretaker committee. 2.1. A caretaker committee shall be appointed to undertake the following responsibilities. A. The caretaker committee at the state chapter is mandated to conduct a comprehensive and fresh electronic party registration of all members in the state. B. The caretaker committee and the state chapter, subject to the directive of the National Working Committee of the party, is entrusted with preparing for the conduct of congresses to facilitate the emergence of new executive committees for the party at various levels, extending from the ward to the state. 3. Tenure of caretaker committee. 3.1. The caretaker committee shall at all levels is granted a tenure that aligns with the completion of the assigned tasks, totaling 6 months. 3.2. The conclusion of the assigned tasks within the stipulated time frame shall also mark the end of the tenure of the caretaker committee at all levels. 3.3. The caretaker committee will be inaugurated on Friday, 24th November 2023 at the Muhammad Buhari House, National Secretariat of APC here in Abuja. This resolution is passed with the objective of ensuring the expeditious and effective resolution of the identified challenges in the River State chapter, with a commitment to the principles and objectives of the party. This is signed for purpose of authentication by His Excellency Dr. Omar Abdullahi Ganduje, CON, the National Chairman, and Barrister Festus Fantoya, the Deputy National Secretary of the party. I will now announce the names of members who have been appointed to this caretaker committee for the party in Rivers State. Number 1 is Chief Tony C. Okocha, who will serve as chairman. 2, Chief Eric Mwibani, who will serve as secretary. 3, Honorable Chibuike Ikenga, member. 4, Prince Stephen Abolo, member. 5, Honorable Sylvester Vidin, member. 6, Sinibo Karibi Danjombo, member. And 7, Miss Darlene Amadi, member. Thank you. My purpose here is to announce the decision